Hi everyone, this is SL Kapalgudi from Shraddha Academy. Today I am going to discussion the very important journal entries in your textbook. Number one is purchase car for personal use rupees 80,000. Here there are two accounts are involved. Number one is drawings account, number two is cash account. The question is arises why the car account is because here car is purchased for personal use, not for the office or not for the business purpose. Therefore, the drawings account will be debited and cash account is credited because cash is withdrawn by the business. Number two is prepaid insurance rupees 1,000. Here the insurance are paid in advance. When the expenses are paid in advance, it is the nature of the current assets. Therefore, prepaid insurance account will be debited. Here the cash is goes out. Therefore, cash account will be credited. Is goods destroyed by fire rupees 500. When the goods is destroyed by fire, there are two accounts are involved. Number one is goods destroyed by fire account, then purchase account. The question is arises why the purchase account is credited. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೋ ಅವಾಗ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Similarly, goods destroyed by fire, theft, accident, the same answer will be reflected. Entries depreciation on bidding rupees 10,000. Here depreciation is a nature of expenses and losses, therefore it should be debited and bidding account is credited because bidding is reduced in nature, decrease in nature, therefore bidding account will be credited. Number fifth one, outstanding rent rupees 1,200. Here the rent account debit, outstanding rent account will be credited. The outstanding rent account is a nature of liability, therefore it should be credit. The rent account is a expenses in nature, therefore there should be debited. Rent issued in advance rupees 5,000. Here the advance is issued, therefore cash is come into the business, cash account debit, and rent issued in advance is credited. Here also rent issued in advance is a nature of liability. Journal entry is cash withdrew for personal use. Here drawings account is debited to cash account because he withdrew the cash for personal use, therefore drawings account will be debited. Next, eighth one, cash deposited into bank. Here bank account is debit, cash account is credit because after closing of the day the cash all sales amounts are deposited into bank, therefore bank is the receiver, so bank account is debit. Here cash is goes out, therefore cash account is credited. Next, ninth one is goods given as a charity. Charity ಅಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ದಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನ ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, 10th one, interest on capital. Here interest on capital account is debit to capital account because interest on capital is a nature of expenses, therefore it should be debit. These are the very important journal entries for your academic purpose as well as the interview purpose. Therefore you should be very carefully while passing the journal entry. In next video also I am discussing the very important journal. Thank you.